Hey you guys, so today this wig is from Ririhair right here. It came in this beautiful box, and the box actually had a gold ribbon wrapped around it, but I took it off, and of course I couldn't put it back how it came, but it came very nicely packaged. The lace is so amazing. Can y'all see that? Like, look how amazing this lace is. This lace is amazing. They bleached it for you, so you don't have to worry about bleaching it. It is so nice. Like, look at that. And another thing I love about this wig is inside it has clips in it, and it also has a removable and attachable, detachable elastic band. So I love using the elastic band. So this actually comes with it, so you don't have to worry about sewing one in yourself. If you don't want to use the elastic band, all you have to do is detach it from here. Has little clips basically that attach and detach it. But yes, this is like amazing. So it is detachable, and then you can just adjust it to your head size by clipping it on the correct one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on. Okay, just like that. So once it's on, you are just going to adjust it. So make sure like the flaps are laid down correctly on each side. And adjust it where you would like your wig to be. Okay, so this is what my wig looks like after I put it on and after I adjust it. So these are the curls that the wig came with. So this is the natural state of it. It is a 22-inch deep wavy wig. So yes, it's pretty long. But you guys know I like my hair nice and full. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my hands and I'm gonna go ahead and finger comb through these curls, and I will probably get my brush and brush them out as well. And I will also be doing some layering in the front, because as you can see, like, it literally is all 22 inches, and just to give it some more layers and volume, I'm going to cut it so it can be much fuller. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I combed it out with my fingers. So I'm going to take some scissors, which I have to do in the mirror, I'm sorry, but I'm going to take some scissors and cut layers on them in the front. Okay you guys, so this is the final look of the hair. So I did cut layers, kind of short layers, slightly short in the front over here. I might go back and cut some more, but I cut layers. Oh my gosh, hair in my face everywhere. Okay, so I did cut layers on this side, and I did do it on this side as well. The hair comes down to like my armpit area, a little bit past armpit length. This hair feels very soft and very good. I'm gonna give you guys the specs on it. So inside the box we have the hair, of course. It comes with an information card. This is Brazilian hair, and this is 130% density, which is amazing because it's really full. I got a medium cap size. It came with a pre-plucked hairline. The whole front is bleached, and it came with an elastic band. It came with the thank you card, and it came with like this really fancy so it came with a wig cap too, but it also came with this fancy brush right here. And when I saw it, I was like, this brush is like pretty, like it looks good for decoration as well. I can get it open. But yeah, so this is the brush. It's a gold paddle brush, which I thought was really nice. So yes, this hair is from Ririhair. I think a lot of their hairs on the website, a lot of their wigs come with like a bleach frontal and an elastic band, and this was my first time seeing a wig company with an elastic band attached inside of the wig, because usually they'll send the wig and they'll send an elastic band for you to sew on, but this company has it sewn in already, so I didn't have to go through the hassle of sewing it in myself and, you know, taking up time to do that. So I really do like this wig. This hair is great so far. I will leave all the information for this hair below. Let me turn to like the side so you can see how much hair this is, because it is a lot of hair. So this is the side view, and here's the back. So it is a good amount of hair. And the other side. Yeah, I do have a shirt on. Yeah, I think this is one of my favorite wigs now. Like, it's just so soft, and it doesn't have a smell either, because usually wigs will have smells. This does not have a smell, and this color is really, really pretty. I'm gonna actually get close so you guys can see the color of the hair. I don't know if you can see, but this is the color of it. I feel like the ends get lighter, so it starts off as like a dark color at the top, and then the ends get lighter. I just thought the color was beautiful. So yes, I just wanted to come and show you guys my new wig I got from Ririhair. And this will probably be my new fall wig, so you guys will definitely be seeing this wig in future videos. Please let me know if you like this wig on me or not. I'll leave all the information below, and I'll leave a coupon so you can get money off as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.